to show you how to wire wrap these Herkimer hoops. I have the Herkimer diamonds already threaded in the position I want with the largest ones in the middle. I open up the hoop like this and I hold it down, say where I want it, this way, and then I wrap. And you can move it along like this, like such. Then I move it onto the next place that I want. And it's easier just to have the hoop open. And I keep it in place. On it, you can shift it over afterwards, like this, keeping the Herkimers in place. Hold on to it and do the same thing. Wrap once, wrap twice, shifting the wires down tightly as you go. Best is to use dead soft wire because it's a lot easier to manipulate. Now if you want them spaced out further, you could keep wrapping longer. Just make sure you have enough wire, like this. Make sure that they're in place exactly the way you want it before you continue wrapping. Like that. And move it in. Hold it down. Move it into place. And it's centered. Then what you do is you tighten the side. There you have it.